Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight, Appa actually feels like eating sweet and sour prawn, so I'm going to make that tonight. Now, I have half a kg of sea prawns here. What I did was I actually removed the pointy part and removed the leg and also devein it, yeah, devein it. Later will be easier to eat also. Then this is about half kg. Did I mention earlier? Yeah, this is about half kg here. Good for about 3 adults. Good enough. I have a few pieces of old ginger, some minced garlic, and this is what I'm going to use to make the sweet and sour sauce. I have some tomato, most important, yes, tomato sauce, a bit of chili sauce, a bit of white vinegar. This one optional if you ask me. Some light soy sauce, some sugar, and also salt. Right, let's prepare some oil here. I'm going to deep fry, or this is more like shallow fry lah. The prawn first, then only I will saute and stir fry the prawn with the tomato sauce later. Okay, why I'm doing so? Two reasons. Number one, I want to remove the sliminess on the prawn itself. Number two, be careful. Prawn, when you deep fry, you be careful because it contains water. Yeah? Number two, I actually want to, whenever a prawn shell gets into contact with hot oil, it will give you extra very aromatic flavor. So this is why I always prefer to deep fry the prawn before I cook it into any other dishes, okay? But of course, this is optional, but recommended. Even when you are doing sambal, you should probably also do this. Fry it first. So we want to fry this for about, say, about 2 to 3 minutes, yeah? 2 minutes plus lah. This size is 1 kg, about 28 pieces, so it's relatively big lah, consider XXL. So this is half a kg, probably about 10 over pieces. Right, this is small, coming to about 2 minutes. You can see it is almost fully cooked. This is 80% at least. So it's good enough. I'm going to take this out. And you see I have some prawn oil now. I can use it later, yeah? So I'm going to take all this prawn and set it aside. So this is the prawn oil. This is the prawn. Right, so I have put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of prawn oil just now. And let's heat it up. Let's put in the ginger first. Saute the ginger a bit until it started to curl out a little bit, yeah? So we are using the prawn oil to saute the ginger right now. Extra flavor. When you start seeing the ginger started to curl out, we can actually put in the garlic. So all this will help to remove the fishiness of the prawn or any seafood, yeah? And let's push all this aside, then tune down the fire to the lowest fire right now. First of all, I'm going to put in the tomato sauce. Always saute the tomato sauce with hot oil. That will help to create the orangey color, yeah? So I have probably about 6-7 tablespoons of tomato sauce here. You're going to start to see the magic happening. The oil will turn more and more orangey because of the tomato sauce. I can smell the tomato sauce right now. Now I'm going to put in a bit of chili sauce. This is optional. Put in about 1 tablespoon. Some light soy sauce. A bit of fine salt. Some white sugar. You can then put in some water. And let's bring this to a boil. Right, you can see the sauce is now already thickened out. Very nice. We're going to put in the deep fried prawn just now. Give it a few stir and it is basically almost done. If you prefer it to make it a little bit more sourish, you can add in some white vinegar towards the end. Let me give it a bit of white vinegar. All right, enough. Give it a few stir, and it's all ready for dinner. A very simple dish, but this is how you can elevate and enhance the flavor of your sweet and sour prawn or tomato prawn. So here's Appa, very simple but very yummy sweet and sour prawn. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa's fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.